morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us, Cars and Chris. It is 6:20 in the morning, or 6:30 in the morning. My dad is surprising me with whatever car he is picking up. I don't know. He said he got something new and he needs me to help him bring it home. So that is my task for the day. I'm interested in seeing what he actually purchased, because he's had a few cars in his lifetime. I mean, not all of them that he wanted, but a decent amount. So we'll see. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's about a 2-hour drive, maybe 3-hour drive. I'm just gonna document everything, and I hope it'll be some good content for you guys. I'm actually going to enjoy the time with my dad, and can't wait to see this surprise. I kind of got on him. Let me preface this by saying I got on him a little bit by saying, hey, you have a lot of cars that just are not put together the way I would put them together. They need to just be more refined. They just need to be higher quality. And maybe I'm just getting tired of like building stuff. I just want to buy it. So I basically told him, I said, man, why don't you sell two and get one great car, one that you can drive, all that good stuff. So we'll see what he came up with. He's very excited, so let's get on with this journey. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Ooh. Good morning.
Did you get some sleep?
Not really.
You left and we were gonna pass up. Wrong one, crazy.
Actually, I'll check. It'll take a little longer. Whew. Let's see if my... Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Can't get any better than that. We got ride dirty. No brake lights. Can't see the tag anyway.
Come over and give you a haircut.
So don't hit the trailer, guys. We got one little flicker. All right, let's get on our journey. To stop at this trailer that says Donut Kitchen. I wanted a cup of coffee, and I guess I'll grab a donut. We'll see how good the donuts are. And I think my dad had to go use the restroom, so it worked out. So we're not there yet, but we're about maybe 45 minutes away now. So we bought a little bit more than what we anticipated buying. Got a little greedy. You never go shopping when you're hungry, especially in a store that has such a selection. So we pretty much bought 3 bags of stuff. We act like we didn't have food at home, so at least we'll be well fed for the entirety of the trip. Now let's go to this Donut Kitchen. Coffee? Yeah, hold on. You want coffee?
Can I get a small coffee?
Small coffee? Can I get a small coffee?
Sure.
Okay.
That'll be $1.
Thank you.
You want
Cream
one?
or sugar?
Cream and sugar, please.
Hey, heavy on the cream and probably heavy on the sugar too.
Yeah, heavy on the cream, heavy on the sugar.
My dad just told me he cannot eat, what's this, $2? He cannot eat donuts with orange juice. So maybe I'm weird. He said it'll make you sick. I think it's a great combination. Oh, well, I didn't know. Leave in the comments what you guys think. I don't know, I thought it would taste good. So we'll see, we'll have some donuts. They're like homemade, so pretty good. Waiting for my dad.
Oh, that orange juice is citric. Those are sweet. Yeah, for collision course.
You ain't got no top for that? Look at this. Just disrespectful.
I'm gonna hold it though.
Look at this.
I'm gonna hold it. That's why I pulled the other one out.
Oh man. Alright, let's get on. We made it. Pretty long ride. Time to load her up. But I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's take a look at what my dad got. Let's see. Here it is. I don't think the interior, oh, the interior is not too bad. Hope you guys can see that. Let me open the door. Oh, not bad. But if anybody want to see the underneath, pretty clean. A lot of new parts. Floor is pretty good. So, not bad. Well, you know, I'm doing DVDs. Dad talking about I'm doing DVDs. I don't do DVDs. There we go. Alright. Thanks for the help, Dad. Appreciate it. There you go. Supervising. That's what he always says. Supervising. So that's it. I'm gonna check back in. We're gonna build this, add our little kind of flair to it. Probably change the wheels and various different things. So stay tuned. I'm probably gonna be posting a little bit more to this channel. So go ahead and subscribe. We have a few cars in the arsenal for my dad's, my brother's. So I'm just gonna bring you along some of their builds. And it's gonna be anywhere from imports to Chevys. Sorry, no Fords, but, oh, we got one Ford, so stand corrected. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, guys. Stay safe out there.
Oh, yeah.